Okay, so the board's out. I've turned it on and left it running for a little bit and run over with infrared looking for hot spots. Nothing ran hotter than 30 degrees. These caps over here were the ones getting warm. I've run around on diode checking all diodes that I can get to. I can't get to this one here, actually both of these here, because of the rubber, but I ran them both in series and they gave a value that would reflect that they're both working. Bridge rectifier looks alright. I can't smell anything. I'll just power it on. Kid's trying to get me a DMCA. In the background there, trying to put a movie on while I've said, please just wait a moment. I just turned it on then. These clicked. I was able to get it to trigger that relay by poking around over here too. There you go. Outputs. So what are we seeing coming out of here? Like there's values. There's a value chart there. It's upside down, sorry. And that gives you the expected voltages on the pinouts. Where is it? There. And I'm not seeing like 5.3 or 12. I'm actually seeing values lower than that. Like I'm seeing like 3 volts or 11 volts. So it's showing that it's putting out something, but it's not putting out the right value. Just going to throw the scope on it next. It's still powered up there, so good luck. I can whack this on. Go for the ground point there on the corner. Maybe that's the place to go. And I can hear a noise under, I believe it's this one. I put a stethoscope poking around on here and there's a noise. Maybe you can hear that, maybe you can't. Okay, so working along these pins here as I go. Moving the baseline, showing the different voltages. Bit of a ripple there. Don't really know what I'm doing with the scope. Should be a test point on here somewhere that would tell you where to hook up your scope. I haven't seen that. Anyway, that's where we're at. Yeah. Oh, long press for power on. It's got like a touch screen type of setup. Look, there's not actually a physical button. Look there, there's a little dot. It's like a touch panel thing there. Tried to long press that, but nothing happened. I did get one little wink of light in this crystal post that holds it up. There's a light, obviously, that flashes down into that to give some sort of signal state. I found this board on Gumtree for about 90 bucks, I think it was, or 130, somewhere around that price. But if I buy a second-hand board, it could have the same problem this has, or, you know, caps dry out in the same sort of time frame. So I'd rather replace all the caps. I have found a seller that sells these, but not the Rubicon ones. They're a different brand. Yeah, so I'm just going to unplug it now and probe the voltage on the back of these and see if they give any sort of response like they're holding voltage. I noticed this one seemed to hold voltage better than these two, so it's possibly leaky caps at this point, and that would be the best case scenario. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Yeah. Any advice? I'm all ears.